In this quick and short video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a border around an image in Photoshop. Okay, so you can see I have an image right here. Now, this is the background image. Okay, so that's what we want to add the border to. Now you can see it's locked right here. So to unlock it, just click on it and now it is unlocked. And then you can see a gray space where it says layer 0. Just simply double click on that and that'll bring up this box, or you could go right click and click on blending options. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to select the stroke option. Okay, so by default, the stroke position may be on outside, but you want to change it to inside so it's visible. And as you can see, if I move this, we have a border. So if it's too thick, you can change the size of the border right here by just decreasing it like that. And then if you want to change the color, just hit color. You can make it, for an example, blue, okay, or white or black or whatever you want to make the border. And then I'll click on OK. And what you can also do is change the fill type, and you can make it like a gradient if you want, and you can change the gradient here, and that's all you have to do. But I just like to leave it on color and select a color. So white seems to be a pretty good border color, so I'll select white, click on OK, and that's it. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.